Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. There go my glasses. We are taking the mopeds out. We're gonna see who's the fastest. We might end up doing a run with my car here in the near future, but not today. Big day of college football today. Just kind of chilling around the house, but we're gonna have fun on these scoots, so I'm excited. So the great thing about Draggy is it has a ton of customizable like speeds and measurements. If you guys don't know what a Draggy is, by the way, it's basically a GPS performance tracker. So you put it somewhere in your car or moped in this case, and then it tracks a bunch of different things. So we can do 0 to 30, I know that. We're on the way to get my moped right now and then take it to Derek's. Derek's is tuned, has an intake. It's so funny talking about mopeds like they're cars. Like tuned intake, and then we'll see who else is around today. We got a biker gang to my left. We are putting the scoots to the test with the Draggy, so get a little POV action on this thing. Ooh, we're just in sport mode with the visor because we were cruising on this thing, but we have officially landed here at home, and we're gonna hit this 0 to 30. So what I'm gonna do is turn on the Draggy. We're gonna get to business, and we'll just test it because I've never used it before, so I could definitely butcher the first 1 or 2 attempts. So we're gonna try it, give it a trial run, and then once we got it figured out, hit all these. Let's go. I just heard sirens and got scared. So the 60-foot and the 8-mile is dominated by the Zuma. 18:07 8th mile is the quickest we have tested so far, but this one beats it on a 0 to 30. So I'll put the numbers up on the screen because I don't have them in front of me right now, but in case you guys were checking at scoots, here's a quick comparison with the Draggy 0 to 30 and 8th mile. That is funny, man. Who knew this toy could be so much fun? And like, if we were ripping the cars around with the Draggy, same sort of deal, we would have been arrested by now. But we're on 50cc scooters, so nobody cares. We're not going more than 34 miles an hour. This is amazing. I could do this all day long. What's going on? We got like a half Harlequin dealio, a wide body 392 with a license plate 392 Flex. If you watch the rally video, you're familiar with this. The giant golden. We are whipping the Ford Escape today because my car is absolutely filthy, and it's honestly like embarrassing, the level of disgustingness. This is also much better on my back, I realized, because the suspension on Michigan roads is just no bueno. It is 12:33 p.m. and we are just getting the day started because, oh baby, we got some festivities going on. We got another mini rally, and this time it's a lot different as far as the cars going, the people going. The destination is the same, but we're gonna see a lot of people that we haven't in a very long time. So excited to get out there and see everybody that's going. We have 22 minutes till a destination. We are gonna be in the purple Lambo today. That of course is piloted by Alec. So we're actually driving to the end destination because I want to film. So that's how it's just going to work out. We're driving to the end first, and then we're going to the start, which is like, I don't know, 15 minutes away. But the rally goes to hell again. I'm going to put my phone down because y'all know distracted driving is unsafe. So I'll catch you when we get there. We got Jessica today, also rocking the RK shirt. That one was from Knoxville, yeah. So that was the first rally I ever went on, is that throwback black shirt. And then I'm wearing the most recent, no, I'm wearing 2 rallies ago shirt. Dang, you guys probably don't care at all. So we're just gonna skip to the purple Lambo. Woo! Yo. Lambo's looking good. Okay. Oh yeah, we got room in this thing. How's the room back there? Jessica, what's your room situation looking like?
It's tight.
Oh, you're just laying sideways?
Yeah.
That'll work, I guess. Only V12 here, and it sounded insane coming in. Ladies and gents.
Oh, it's Castle. That's what it is.
We are out here, confusing traffic, because it is normal daily traffic. It's what time? 2:10. So we got all these cars mixed in with regular traffic. This is hilarious. We've made it in the purple Lambo, and we are officially en route to Hell, Michigan.
We are on the highway to hell.
The highway to hell, as they say. We're just doing a big loop. We're stopping at the saloon, and I believe that's our only stop. We're not stopping for gas.
No,
Again, yeah.
At the saloon, yeah.
So that's the plan. The Bud Light's gonna taste when we were at Hell Saloon, but we're doing car stuff today. Last time we went to Hell, I got a Corona. It's like car stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
we're talking like the
sense.
Fast and Furious vibe. Corona just tastes that much better with the lime. It's just, wow, chef's kiss. I am not driving today, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, so I might have myself maybe 2 Coronas or Bud Lights to be determined. Quick Jessica check. How we doing? Good in the back seat. That's so funny, the legs across the back seats. But we're making good time. Who would have guessed? Beautiful Saturday. Cannot ask for better driving conditions. When I looked at the radar, or not the radar, the weather earlier this week, it looked like it was going to rain today and tomorrow, so like all weekend. But things cleared up and we're good. So it's nice. A lot like last time we did this drive. So that's just the kind of mid-flight check-in. Such a sick shot. Look at all these cars, bro.
Oh, dude, they're up there.
Yep. Oh, so they did get ahead a little bit.
And Mark.
Oh, I'm glad, glad we walked over. So is there a Ferrari sideways in the middle of the road stopping traffic right now? The answer is yes.
I don't think we need to stop there. That dad was loving it.
Oh, really?
He was like,
I wonder if I got enough film. I was pointing the camera forward. Guys giving a thumbs up on the bike. station, I'm assuming is overflowed, so we're all just kind of chilling for now. All right, perfect. Lunch stop complete. $15 total bill, which is absolutely incredible. I should probably get out of the middle of the road, as this is active traffic, of course. But I think what we're going to do is hit where we just came from, do it kind of backwards, rip it one more time, get out of here, go meet up. That's going to wrap it up. So, fun time as always. Happy?
Yep.
How was lunch?
It was good. It was really good.
Alan, what issue you reading? Let's see what it is.
Gorman's coupon. Did I get anything good?
No. Looks like ads. That's tough.
So let's start out try change all this.
What? Just hit a quick Yui.
There's the front left, just make sure it's there.
Oh, good. Well, ladies and gents, the purple Lambo held its own today with the supercars and the trip to Hell, Michigan. Fun time, as always. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you want to watch more, hit subscribe. We'll see you.